What's up, Spray Foamers? My name is Layla Fagani, and I am the Sales and Marketing Director for Global Specialty Products USA, also known as GSP USA. Now, as the industry leader with over 30 years of clean chemical manufacturing, we know how important it is to keep your equipment clean and clear of ISO buildup. Whether it's daily cleaning of your gun tip, wiping down your gun after spraying, routine flushing of your lines, or immersion cleaning for tough ISO buildup on your parts, we have you covered. Now, our one-stop shop approach makes it convenient and more affordable for you to replace highly hazardous and toxic chemicals with our safer alternatives. Don't compromise your health, time, or money using anything else.
We certify all our products are free of N-methyl-2-prolidin, also known as NMP, free of acetone, MEK, and other flammable and toxic substances. In other words, we are committed to providing products that are both highly performing and cost effective, but also better for you and the environment. In this video, we will review one of our top-selling products, NZD IsoFlush, Isocyanates Cleaner and Neutralizer, what it is, how to use it, and the do's and don'ts of this product.
Hello, everyone. My name is David Fagani, and I am the CEO of Global Specialty Products USA. Now, the two most frequently asked questions we receive from spray foam contractors are, what is the right way to flush out my spray foam and coating equipment? And when should I clean my equipment? Now, due to moisture penetration inside your ISO A line, the interior walls of your hoses may develop a layer of ISO, similar to clogged artery. The goal is to flush your spray foam and coating rig correctly and maintain it to prevent the formation of hardened ISO. An additional goal may be to store your rig, which require proper storage practices, which we will also review at the end of this video.
Before using any of our products to flush isocyanates, OSHA requires appropriate body protection, including coveralls, respirator, eye protection, and gloves to be worn at all times. Yes, our products are formulated with a clean chemistry, but once you mix our products with isopolymer, polyol B, or anything else, the mixture is considered hazardous and you will need to wear appropriate protection. NZD IsoFlush is strictly a flushing and neutralizing solvent for liquid and slight buildup of hardened isocyanates. Use at room temperature and full strength. Do not dilute or change the temperature. Clean your ISO line A side by recirculating product via pump circulation at 200 psi inside your lines for 2 to 4 hours max. Now for step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Depending on the condition of your ISO lines and the length of your hoses, you will need to pour 3 to 4 gallons of NZD IsoFlush into a clean 5-gallon pail. Please keep in mind that while doing this, you should spread your entire hose out on the ground. Step 2. Remove the gun and open the fluid valve. Tip. Have another person hold the fluid valve over an empty bucket with a screen on it to filter all the ISO that comes out. Step 3. Pull the drum pump out of the drum just enough so that its bottom is above the ISO level in the barrel, and turn on the air supply to the drum pump. Step 4. Allow the drum pump to cavitate 10 times. Then shut off the air. This will create an air bubble in the line. Wipe off the drum pump, place it in your bucket of virgin NZD IsoFlush, and turn the air back on. This will push the ISO out of the hose, through the screen, and into the clean bucket. Step 5. Depending on the hose length, you should collect 1.5 to 2.5 gallons of ISO in the bucket before encountering an air bubble. Once the line spits, close the fluid valve. The contents of the bucket at this point is just ISO, not a blend with NZD IsoFlush. So pour this back into the ISO drum for reuse. Step 6. Take a new bucket and pour off about a quart. This will be a mixture of ISO and NZD IsoFlush that needs proper disposal. Remove the screen from the ISO bucket and set it over the NZD IsoFlush bucket. Now you are ready to recirculate the NZD IsoFlush from the bucket through the system, through the screen, and back into the bucket. Step 7. While one person holds the hose in the bucket, have one or two others assist with the rest of the hose. Pick it up and flex it back and forth as much as you can without kinking it. Tip: vigorously massage the hose. Crystallized ISO is very hard and brittle, and it will crack and break apart the more you massage it. Eventually, you will see ISO crystals collecting on the screen. Continue this process until the crystals stop appearing. Please note, this process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. It is not recommended to leave the system overnight due to possible moisture penetration. Step 8. Repeat the procedure in reverse to refill the system with ISO and save the solvent for proper disposal. Please note, spent NZD IsoFlush contains ISO and small amounts of moisture, which could damage the system. We recommend disposing of spent material. Attention, do not reuse spent material for any further application. Now that your system is clean, you are ready to start spraying. Check your gauges often. If the A gauge rises to 200 to 300 psi, stop and clean your ISO gun filter, as there may be a few more crystals remaining. Purge your lines with a small amount of fresh ISO to remove everything, and then you are ready to spray. Need to store or winterize your equipment? We recommend our companion product, Surfalube Equipment Storage Fluid, for mid to long-term storage up to 36 months. Surfalube is a highly effective plasticizer that prevents isopolymers from forming crystals and is designed to prevent isocrystal formation inside transfer pumps, hoses, proportioners, and guns. It is also ideal for winterizing rigs and can withstand severe cold temperatures without freezing, with a freezing point of -94 degrees Fahrenheit. As a sub-application, it can also be used in flush pots to help prevent premature wear of cartridges. GSP USA proudly manufactures and repackages all our products in-house and in the USA. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please contact us with any questions or comments at support@gsp-usa-inc.com and visit our website www.gsp-usa-inc.com for more information. Thanks for watching and happy spraying!